Okay, guys. So now, if your computer is hanging or your computer is slow, laptop or desktop, so you can make it little bit fast. What you have to do, you have to press Alt, Control, and Delete button in your computer, and you have to click on the Task Manager. When you will click on Task Manager, this screen will open, and here you will see Startup. So in this startup, you will click. This is the startup app. I make it big. This is the startup app. Here you will find many of the application which open when you open your computer. So because of this, your computer takes time and it becomes slow. So you can see now this Epic Game Launcher. So it's enabled. You can do it disable. Uh, like 360 tray, I make it disable. This blue stack. So from this method, you can make your computer fast because this one what we don't use, and when we open computer it takes time and it give you your computer become slow. I make this one. So you can see there are too many enables, so now you can disable this and make your computer faster. Guys, the next step is about OneDrive. You can make your computer faster to close the OneDrive on your computer, because some professional peoples usually use, and if you have your personal computer, so you don't use this OneDrive link, and it's enable all the time in your computer. So for this, what you have to do, you have to click here down, and here you will see this is the OneDrive. Now I am not signed in, so you can find also here, or you can search OneDrive application. So when you will click here, you will find the setting option. Here you will click on setting, and there you will find the account option. Once you click on account option, you will find here there is the small link, unlink this PC. Once you click on it, the computer will ask you, your drive files will stop synchronizing. A copy of these files will be left on this PC. You click on unlink account, and now your account will unlink with the OneDrive. Okay, so you can make your computer faster if you have the personal computer, because in organization the people use this on the network, but usually at home we don't use it.